Chico, California is at the northern end of the Central Valley, surrounded by some of the richest agricultural land in the world. Chico is nestled between the Sacramento River and the base of the foothills where the Sierra Nevada and Cascade Mountain ranges meet.
Close proximity to excellent hiking both in the Cascades and the Sierras, lakes and rivers here for fishing and all sorts of recreation we take advantage of all the time, and we really enjoy that aspect of living here in Chico.
Just yesterday, actually, I kayaked with one of the other physicians in my group about 20 miles on the Sacramento River. And it's just beautiful. You're out in the wilderness. There's no city, there's no nothing. It's just you and the river with a lot of wildlife. And that's just a really neat opportunity that we have here in Chico.
Chico has become an increasingly desirable place to live in California. This welcoming and family-oriented community maintains a vibrant, quaint downtown. It flows into the campus of California State University, Chico, one of the most beautiful and historic in the state university system. The university is committed to higher education, cultural diversity, and sustainability, as well as arts and entertainment. One of the finest performance venues in the North State, the proscenium-style Laxon Auditorium.
One of the important things for our family is participating in the entertainment series that happens at Chico State every year. This arts and entertainment series brings internationally known performers, people who are comedians, actors, music, and it just brings it right here to Chico, things that you would normally think of going to San Francisco to see, for example.
Chico is an art-friendly town that takes pride in its galleries, nationally known artists, and annual art festivals, as well as historic architecture and iconic murals and statues featured throughout the city. While comfortably removed from the congestion of California's most populated areas, Chico is just a few hours away from well-known destinations.
Well, we chose Chico. After finishing my training, we were looking into moving to a smaller community, smaller town, with easy commute to work, very nice people. And we chose Northern California also because of the agriculture component, proximity to Tahoe, Napa, great outdoor activities.
The heart and gem of Chico is Bidwell Park, the third largest municipal park in California. Its 3,700 acres are a playground of walking, biking and equestrian trails, swimming holes, and sprawling terrain.
When we have relatively little time outside of work, it's not having to drive long distances to get to recreation places and be able to switch from trees to hills to creeks. It's priceless. It feels like you're on vacation.
As one of California's bike-friendly communities, we offer a network of bike paths and a variety of races and rides.
One of the things that I'm passionate about and I've loved to do all my life is ride my bike. Being in this area, there are endless opportunities for bike riding, and whether it's on the road or off the road. Beyond just biking and hiking, having a lake close by, water skiing, even snow at pretty close access, places like Lassen National Park or Tahoe, just having all these things really within a very close drive. Even the ocean isn't that far away from us.
Championship Golf is another local amenity, and many other courses dot the surrounding areas. The unparalleled outdoor recreation opportunities in the North State include water sports at Lake Oroville, Lake Almanor, and Shasta Lake, plus world-class fly fishing in streams and rivers that flow through the beautiful canyons into the Sacramento Valley, and seasonal camping and skiing are less than an hour away. The rich agriculture of the area makes Chico a destination for locally produced food, wine, and craft beer. Brew festivals along with farm and winery tours always make the growing and harvest seasons filled with events. And with the mild climate, outdoor dining is possible almost year-round. Educational opportunities for a growing family abound, with public schools as well as a diverse choice of charter and private schools, many with well-tenured teachers.
The schools in Chico, both the elementary, middle school, and high school, I think are excellent with fantastic teachers. My son is in Chico High and has the opportunity to go over to Chico State a couple of blocks away and take classes. There's also the college connection for these kids where they can actually take all college classes in their last year of high school, which is a great opportunity for them.
The city of Chico is a special place, offering the convenience and excitement of a large metropolitan area, mixed with the arts and cultural diversity of a university town, and the warm, caring personality of small-town America. In the center of Chico, on the beautiful tree-lined street called Esplanade, is the main campus of Enloe Medical Center. Together with Enloe's satellite campuses and clinics throughout the region, Enloe creates the foundation of a comprehensive medical community.
Since Enloe was founded, it's been an essential fabric of the community of Chico. There are so many close relationships that Enloe has with the university and other major employers, and there are very few community functions that are a part of Chico that Enloe is not a part of.
Enloe is a real pioneer in quality in this region, and region is really important to us because we're a level 2 trauma center. We're the only level 2 verified trauma center by the American College of Surgeons between Sacramento and the Oregon border. And our STEMI receiving center and a primary stroke designation to be able to provide the sophisticated level of care that this whole region needs.
One of the good things about working at Enloe is that the management and administration is very open, bringing new techniques and technology what physicians need to serve our community. And we are not only serving our local community, but the regional.
Enloe is an independent, nonprofit acute care hospital with 298 beds. Providing service for over a century, Enloe continues to grow and change to meet the healthcare needs of the community.
Administration at the hospital is very open to working with the physicians and to listen their needs and their ideas of how we can make things work. At the end of the day, you feel that we all have the same goal. We can't afford not to have the best possible care and a good reputation in the community.
Enloe is truly committed to quality care for its patients. As a board member, I watch how administration and staff and employees and the medical staff work closely to assure that all of our quality goals are met. I also work closely with the Patient Family Advisory Council, which is a new and important part of meeting our quality goals at Enloe. That committee is really working to make sure that all of the care that we provide is patient-centered and that the patient is an empowered member of the healthcare team.
Well, the mission of Enloe Medical Center is to improve the quality of your life through patient-centered care. And we think that there's a lot of substance to that mission. It means that we're good community citizens. It means that we're here to raise the quality of life for our community and not just provide basic health care, but to go beyond that and to address people's spiritual and emotional needs as well as their physical.
One of the really special things I think about Enloe Medical Center is how personal this place is. For somebody that's been here now for 7 years, from day one, I felt as though if I wanted to go and talk about something pressing, something that I thought was really important from a clinical perspective, or something that was just on my mind, that at this place, I could actually walk up to the CEO of our hospital and talk to him about that. It's amazing how approachable he is, and I think that that's just a wonderful opportunity that we have here that I've never seen anywhere else.
Today, Enloe serves more than 400,000 residents in a 6-county region, houses the region's Level 2 neonatal intensive care unit, and operates Flight Care, the only hospital-owned air ambulance service in California.
I chose Chico to practice medicine because I found that the medical staff here is truly excellent. We have a very progressive medical center. We're always pushing to make things better, both in quality for the patients. We send out very little from our hospital and manage just about everything with the best possible care that can be provided in the United States.
Through the excellence of our employees and medical staff, Enloe Medical Center has grown to become the region's most comprehensive medical center and one of the few hospital organizations of its size in California still locally governed.
The medical community is extremely supportive, and the hospital itself has actually significantly supported my practice. And whether or not we're talking about being in the operating room and having the equipment that I need to practice the types of surgeries that I want to do, or just having the support in the clinic. The hospital has come in and actually really helped us organize our clinic and just take better care of the patients.
Patient-centered care can be observed throughout Enloe Medical Center's expanded facilities.
Well, it's very important to bring patient-centered care in our medicine. If patients understand what to expect, they trust their physicians and they have better outcomes.
In the heart of Enloe's facilities are caregivers who engage each other to achieve a higher quality care, reaching out to patients and their families to create programs that are meaningful, intentionally building bridges to support and improve health along the continuum of care, creating a healthier community. As a result, Enloe Medical Center's commitment to excellence is exemplified in the awards and accreditations it has earned over the years.
I think we're always looking for physicians who are concerned about quality, are self-motivated, are easy to work with, kind, knowledgeable. I think that's what everybody wants, but I think we also get that more often than not.
When I think about who we want to come here to Enloe Medical Center and who I want to work with, I think about people who are hardworking, people who are committed to delivering quality care, people that have some vision, people that want more than just what the expectations are, but what we can be.
Chico, California and Enloe Medical Center in tandem create one of the most modern and enjoyable environments to practice medicine today in the United States. Enloe's medical community speaks of the big city medicine being practiced here in small town America.